Welcome to Valucop YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button or click the like button. So today I'll be showing you how to stake your Polkadot. Here is the Polkadot staking guide. In this guide, you will learn how to create a Polkadot stash account, create a Polkadot controller account, claim your DOT tokens, and stake your DOT tokens. How to create a Polkadot stash account. Since it is recommended for Polkadot for most users to use the Polkadot.js browser extension to create their addresses. Once you successfully install the extension, click on the orange little P button in your browser bar to open the interface. Then click to create new account. Write down the mnemonic seed phrase and securely store it. Whoever has access to the mnemonic seed phrase also has access to your funds. Then click next step. Choose a descriptive name for your stash account as well as a strong password. Then click add the account with generated seed. You will now see the created account in the Polkadot.js browser extension starting screen. Now you need to change the display of your address to Polkadot mainnet address, recognizable by starting with a 1. In order to do so, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the extension. Under display address format, choose Polkadot Live. You will now see your address correctly displayed as a Polkadot mainnet address. Create a Polkadot controller account. In order to successfully bond your fund and nominate a validator set, you need to separate a separate account, namely your controller account. You perform everyday staking operations like changing validators or claiming rewards using this account. Please note that token transfers are not yet enabled. Therefore, you have to set your start account as a controller account as long as token transfers are not as possible. Nevertheless, you can still go ahead and create a separate account as your controller as soon as token transfers are enabled. To create a controller account, use the Polkadot browser extension. Click the plus icon in the top right corner, then click create new account, root or derived. Now you have two options. Derive the new account from your existing account. It will be accessible with the same seed mnemonic phrase of the account it was derived from, or create a new account with a new seed. This new account will be independent from the old one and have a separate seed. That's mnemonic phrase. With the second option, you can have independent keys, which is why you have to uncheck the box at the top, then click create account from the new seed. Write down your numeric seed phrase and securely store it. Then you click next step. Choose a descriptive name for your controller account as well as strong password, and then click add the account with generated seed. Congratulations, you successfully created your second Polkadot account. You also find this account in the Polkadot UI under account. Please note that in the beginning of the NPOS phase, you only need one account in order to nominate and participate in staking. After token transfer are enabled, it's recommended that you use one account as a stash account and the other account as a controller. Step 3, claim your DOT token. If you acquire DOT tokens one of the pre-launch token sales, you need to claim and attest your tokens for this process. Check my previous video on how to do this. For this process, you need to have a Polkadot address, the Ethereum address you use for the token sale, as well as my crypto. Now, how to stake your dots. In the Polkadot UI, make sure that you are connected to the Polkadot mainnet. You can change the network by clicking the network symbol in the top left corner of your screen. The staking menu. To start the staking process, click staking in the left menu bar on the top. You'll find different tabs with different information and actions related to staking operations. Click account actions in order to start the nomination process. Define your account. Now click the plus nominator button. Bond your DOS. Since token transfers are not enabled in the initial stage of the NPOS phase, you need to choose the same account for stash account and controller account. Use the account you claimed your DOTs for, the account with funds on it. Choose the amount of DOTs you want to use for staking under value bonded. Make sure to leave some funds in your stash account. Bond the max of 90% of the token so that you will still be able to pay transaction fees. Choose a destination account for your rewards under payment destination, and then click next to bond your token. Choose validators. You can nominate up to 16 validators. Simply select the validator of your choice by clicking on them in the left box. Make sure to have the auto selection turned off by switching the action button below nominated account. You can unselect them from the right box by clicking on them again. Alternatively, you can also use the search bar in the top to look for specific validators by address, or then click bond and nominate. Please note you cannot specify the amount delegated to a particular validator. Your bonded dots will be spread out among the validators you selected according to MPOS algorithm. Bond and nominate. Click sign and submit in order to conclude your nomination. Congratulations, you're now a nominator on the Polkadot network. Thanks for your trust and nomination. In case you have any questions, leave your questions in the comment box below and I will attend to. This is simply how to stake your Polkadot. Step-by-step explanation on how to stake your Polkadot.